Here at the Midwest Grape and Wine Industry Institute, we are committed to test your products for the parameters you need to know to guarantee product quality.
Hi, I'm Erin Norton, the Associate Director of the Midwest Grape and Wine Industry Institute at Iowa State University. We are pleased to offer testing for a range of beverages, including wine, beer, and cider, as well as starting materials including grapes, wort, or juice.
Our analytical testing service has already established a strong and devoted customer base across the Midwest. Our services offer essential data to producers, empowering them to make informed and strategic decisions within their production facilities.
At the Institute, we provide various tests that your facility may not be equipped to perform. Some examples include acetic acid, cold stability of wine, international bitterness units or IBUs, and percent ethanol, also abbreviated ABV.
Our team of research scientists and dedicated student workers are highly trained to deliver accurate and timely analysis. This will enable you to work efficiently in your production facility. Additionally, we have a vast network of resources at our disposal to help find answers to any microbial, sensory, or analytical issues you may encounter.
We can also provide support to interpret analysis and walk through production solutions. Getting personalized feedback can be a valuable tool to support your business, regardless of the size of the issue you're facing. For a comprehensive selection of our analysis services, we invite you to explore our website. Should you require further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us.
We're excited to work with you.